when I am dictating, you have to be in utter focus. Utter focus means your focus should be only on hearing and writing, hearing and writing. A person next to you is doing whatever, sneezing also, not pull up, but anything else, doing anything, you should not get disturbed. Can you understand? Focus. You have to learn to focus. In this age of distraction, people who will focus will get successful. Simple. In this age of distraction, your clearing examination is very easy. Because most of the students are distracted, isn't it? Only if you can maintain focus, you will get through. Because most people are downloading notes, you will read notes. Most people are downloading test series, you will write tests. Simple. If you follow this process, things will be smooth. And if you go under FOMO, FOMO means fear of missing out. Oh, that is left. Oh, such good notes. That good notes. Oh, ये तो हमारी क्लास में हुआ ही नहीं. है ना? When we will, so people who, I know there will be some students. So why we will be teaching ethics and environment, some will be, ma'am, polity कब होगा? अरे पहले environment तो पढ़ लो भाई. Ethics तो पढ़ लो ढंग से. Of course, we are here. And there is this whole team thinking about you. And if you keep, again, it's like, if you keep doing this with your process, it will not, and then you say, पता नहीं क्यों नहीं हुआ, पता नहीं इसमें से क्यों नहीं निकला चिकनिया, है ना? तो वो क्यों नहीं निकला? पहली चीज कि आपको ट्रस्ट करके करना पड़ेगा, है ना? बातों से कुछ नहीं होता, नोट्स इकट्ठे करने से भी कुछ नहीं होता, पढ़ना पड़ेगा. Simple. Focus. Okay.